this is my presentation. You can press something. So I have this one. I'm going to upload it now because then it will say to now this is 320 million. Now this is the better, but we can go towards the back. Don't worry about why I'm looking. Just don't. No, I got a bug. Okay, this is the little one. You can see from the bottom right next to somehow I get a billion. But read let's go. I will cut this. Because because I cannot load up. I could. So I wanted to sell. I thought it was gonna be an ad, so I gotta like do the thing again. Cause you know I don't like it. So I just pause it and do it. So like a ziploc like that. If you hate the cat, well, but if you like cat, then you're not. But one of my passengers just disappeared out of nowhere. That's a weird thing. But it was sad. But my little pet was my brother said it was just a little cat, so he passed away. He passed away yesterday. If you know, I could say Urdu because I'm in Pakistan. So I don't want to speak Urdu because I just don't like to speak in front of recording. This is a very nice one. Okay, everybody, you can get up because the time is over. Stop bumping into each other. Look how many people do. Or should I say cats I have as my customer. Some of them kind of look, they're all cute. That's literally hilarious. Like they look so funny when they. Oh. So what happened that I couldn't get it? So I wanted it, but I couldn't. I would do this. Yeah. Oh, paw. I had the paw. Where's paw? Where's paw? Where's paw? Where is paw? Oh, paw. Paw. Where paw is somewhere. That was a correct number I just got. Don't ask why they have it on the head. It's just part of the game. It's a game, okay? It's a game. What can I get? Oh, I can save up money and gems. Actually, I can save up gems and get 31.225 billion for 1 hour. Sure. 3 times for 7 days for. Oh my God, that's a lot. I cannot do it. Ooh, I didn't even know that. Let me get my money. Da. Let's upgrade. Yeah, let's check on. Wait, what is that? Oh, that's a lamp. I scattered the lamp for now. This is expensive, bro. Expensive. I don't want to actually do it. It's not expensive, but I don't also want to do it. So I don't want to do. Oh man, I lost all of my. Do I do? Okay, he's running. Where are you running? Oh, he's going to drink some drinks. I don't know. I think they're drinking orange juice. I know why they drink orange juice now. And pancake. Do the pancakes. Pancakes are ready. He's eating. Ooh. They're joining together. They're joining together now. It's going dark in here, but not in real. Yo, how much do I need? Yo, how much do I need? 55 cents. See, this is why I miss Nugget. What a billion? Money, 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 money. Yeah. Yeah, they also have a Nintendo Switch. They got phones. They got books. Because it's quiet. How is it quiet? Are there not speakers? Do they don't have speakers? That why it's so relaxing. But I couldn't want it, but I won't. I hit a billion, that why. Yo. Why did you talk? Do you not know that